onto this floor and not get excited about what you see. I mean, we build everybody's dreams.
What makes our shop different from other shops? What we try to specialize in here is how to build incredible vehicles over and over and over again.
Our vehicles are duplicatable. Because of the systems and processes that we put in place, we're able to create a consistent work of art that's highly engineered.
We're standardizing all the processes, standardizing the wiring harnesses, the plumbing, the brakes, so that these vehicles are more serviceable, they're more durable. If there's ever an issue after the fact, we can support our clients better. If they have a vehicle on the other side of the world, we can send them parts because we know what the vehicle was built with.
Innovation's a big deal in any industry. In our industry, there's two different ways of looking how innovation plays. Innovation on the actual vehicles specifically has been our move from most of our builds being steel-based to being carbon fiber-based. And so that's been a huge thing for us. And we're one of the only people out there making cars in carbon fiber, especially the only people out there making Shelby Mustangs in carbon fiber, or any of our new stuff like the Cobra line.
You have to constantly innovate, the look of the car and be responsive to the industry. But you also have to look at the engineering behind it and how the innovation is plugged into the car. You look at what Carroll Shelby did, and he's constantly innovating new technologies and ways of looking at the cars.
You can only build a car to a certain level before you basically have to go to the next tier. So we're constantly looking for that next tier in order to continuously just improve our cars. I mean, they're already fantastic machines, but you never want to feel like you've reached the top. You always want to continue.
Culture is a big part of any business. Culture is what drives your employees. I was taught a long time ago that people work for your money for a short time. People will work for you for a long time based on what they believe in. We spend a lot of time talking about what we do, how we do it, but really why we do it is what's important.
What I noticed about myself when I paint, I'm almost like OCD. I want it to come out perfect. It makes you feel excited, like, all this hard work really does pay off. And you can really take pride in all the hard work you've put into it.
Working with the guys here at Classic Recreations, it's awesome. What I do here is fun. I love it. And we all share that love for what we do.
Quality control at Classic Recreations is actually a really big deal. Everything from inspecting every nut and bolt, making sure the paint is perfect. We're sort of like a measured 20 times, cut once kind of team, and that's all in the effort of perfection.
We define excellence in our products, in our vehicles, the things we manufacture, more by what our clients define than what we define. Because at the end of the day, we have to deliver the client exactly what they're expecting or more.
Are you ready?